Put Coca-Cola on charcoal and you'll be amazed at the result. Once I started using this mixture, I never bought it from a store again. For today's tip, we'll need a piece of charcoal. It needs to be new, not used. Take the charcoal and put it in a plastic bag, then tie a tight knot. Once this is done, crush it with the help of a tool. We're doing this because we only need the charcoal powder. After crushing it, well, use a sieve to extract all the charcoal powder. For the next step, we're going to add about 150 milliliters of Coca-Cola. That's equivalent to 1 glass. Next, we'll need dishwashing detergent. You can use whichever brand you prefer. Go ahead and add the same amount, 150 milliliters. Finally, add the same amount of water, just tap water at room temperature. Now just mix everything together very well. That done, our mixture is ready. What we need to do now is transfer the whole solution into a container. I'm using this bottle of dishwashing detergent I had, as it makes it much easier to apply. At this point, you're probably curious and wondering what this is for. What we've just made is a powerful cleaner for metal and aluminum items. That's right. With this powerful product, you can clean and polish all the metal items in your home. I'll show you how to use it. Let's say you have a dirty, burnt and stained pan like this one at home. Look how dirty it is, even with the burnt liquid stuck to it. Anyone who has tried to clean it knows how difficult it is. So here's what we're going to do. Apply our mixture directly to the item you want to clean and then scrub it with a sponge without adding anything else. Just our solution. See how, with little effort, we've managed to remove all the burnt-on residue. See all the dirt come off. This works because charcoal and Coca-Cola are extremely abrasive. That's why we get such good results. The best part is that, as well as cleaning, this solution also polishes your items, restoring all the original shine. Look at the result. It's amazing. It doesn't even look like the same pot. That's why it's definitely worth trying this at home. You'll certainly love the result. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon.